Campsite na malawak at malamig, no need for reservation dahil pwedeng-pwede mag-walk-in. Samahan nyo kami dito sa Epic Park Campsite in Tanay Rizal. This was a 2 hours drive from Manila and mostly cemented road. Meron lang sigurong mga 200 meters rough road before the entrance. Then pagpasok, you'll be asked to register where we paid 600 per pax and 500 pesos for tent pitching. There are 3 campsites inside. Yung Camp 1 ang pinakamalapit sa CR and sinks. Then yung Campsite 2 naman is yung pinakamalapit sa mga pine trees. We were lucky enough to occupy the upper level of Camp 2 na isa lang yung kasya na tent. Solo mo yung area and pwede ka talaga magnilay-nilay sa overlooking view of the mountains. Yung Campsite 3 naman is medyo malayo na and limited na yung flat grounds. They also have sinks and decent restrooms na may shower and bidet. Oh, gusto nyo yan! Medyo mahina yung data pero meron silang wifi na abot hanggang Camp 2. If hindi nyo trip magluto, pwede din kayong bumili ng food sa restaurant malapit sa kanila. Lanay yung pangalan at ang bongga ng resto na to. Gawa ako ng separate video for this. We really enjoyed our day trip and I think isa ito sa mga babalikan naming campsite. Overnight naman next time. Very accessible kasi. Sobrang presko and may overlooking view pa. So if you also want to visit Epic Park Campsite, you may message them through their FB page for more details and updated rates. Yun lang guys, see you on our next camping trip. Bye!